U Zagrebu 12. svibnja održano je zanimljivo predavanje Early Signals, Future Scenarios.
So I'm Leslie Shannon. I'm Nokia's head of ecosystem and trend scouting. And what I do is I look for examples out in the world of how new technologies are using telecommunications. And one of the things that I'm looking at right now is how 5G enables really amazing new things that are going to blow everybody's minds. I mean, right now, 5G lets you take video from something, send it to somewhere else, and then get a computer analysis, and then come back and tell you information. And farms are using this to understand which crops are weeds and which ones are the plant, and so where you put the water and where you put the poisons. They're also using this for fish farming to make sure that, which fish are healthy and which fish aren't healthy, which is just really useful things for a lot of different enterprises. But where this is all going is what I'm most excited about, because by having the processing move into the network, which is what 5G enables, computer processing, that will be the key technology to enable augmented reality glasses that people will actually wear, because if you take the computing and you put it somewhere else, then you don't need a big battery here, you have regular looking glasses. But then you can then get digital information mixed in with the physical world as you move through the physical world. So just imagine being able to have information about people, places, things, or entertainment, imaginary, interacting with your favorite movie around you as you're in your living room. The possibilities are going to be endless.
Nove tehnologije donose puno benefita, ali I nove probleme.
Yes. So for a technology to become popular, it needs to solve a problem. A technology that doesn't solve a problem never becomes popular. It never takes off. However, every new technology that we do adopt has within it the next problem that needs to be solved. So for example, my smartphone lets me do all kinds of powerful things with it because it's really a little computer. But now I need to figure out where to charge it because the battery doesn't last very long because it's doing so much processing. And so that now takes us to the energy sector, how we actually solve this problem of the battery not lasting long enough. And that actually takes us straight into dealing with climate change. So every problem, every solution has within it the next thing that needs to be solved.
U svakom slučaju ne trebamo se bojati isprobavati nove stvari.
Yes, so sometimes it can be kind of confusing with all of the new changes that are coming, things that are happening in blockchain or the metaverse or all these kinds of things. My best advice is to experience all of these yourself. Go out there and get a virtual reality headset and experience what it is to be in virtual reality. So you're not guessing anymore. You know what your personal reaction is and you know what works for you. And for blockchain, I really recommend learning how all of that works, getting a digital wallet, buying a really cheap NFT, and understanding that whole process. Because if you are not participating in these new technologies, you are going to miss the place where these new things might be very important and might solve problems for your business. You're just not going to know. But if your competitors out there experimenting, they might be the ones that figure it out. So go out there and experience things and think about how new technologies might be the next step in your own business or your personal life.